In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from CashApp to a Bitcoin wallet. If you've ever wondered how to move your Bitcoin from CashApp to an external wallet, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Essentially, the process involves selecting the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, entering the address of the wallet you want to transfer to, and confirming the transaction. Once you do this, the Bitcoin will leave your CashApp account and arrive safely in your external wallet. First, open the CashApp on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. From the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin tab. If you don't already have any Bitcoin in your account, you'll need to buy some first, but if you do, you'll see your Bitcoin balance at the top of the screen. Next, we need the address of the wallet you want to send your Bitcoin to. Every Bitcoin wallet has a unique address, so open your external wallet and copy the address to your clipboard. Once you have it, go back to CashApp and tap the Send arrow on the right side of the Bitcoin screen. You'll see a toggle that allows you to choose between sending a Bitcoin amount or a USD value. Select Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to send. You can choose to send your entire balance or just a portion of it. After entering the amount, paste the wallet address into the recipient field. Make sure the address is correct because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Tap Next, and CashApp will show you the order details, including the wallet you're sending to, the amount, and the USD value. At this stage, you'll have options for sending speed. You can choose a rush fee for faster confirmation or standard, which is free, but may take a bit longer. For most people, standard is the easiest choice. Once you confirm your selection, tap Confirm and Send. CashApp will ask you to verify your identity, usually with Face ID or your passcode. After this, the transaction is officially initiated, and your Bitcoin is on its way to your external wallet. You'll see a confirmation in your Activity tab once it's processed. It may take a little time for the Bitcoin network to confirm the transaction, usually within a few minutes to an hour depending on network traffic. After it's confirmed, your funds will appear in your external wallet. This method is safe, simple, and gives you full control over your Bitcoin transfers. Following these steps ensures that sending Bitcoin from CashApp to any external wallet is smooth and secure, letting you manage your crypto without any unnecessary fees or delays.